Brisbane as well. Closed due to early flooding, Mount Crosby Road and colleges crossing at 𝘄𝗵𝗁. Crews to undertake bridge inspections later today, but the border had 𝘄𝗵𝗁 crews to undertake bridge inspections later today, but the border had subsided there, but that's the reason that it's still closed. And just a reminder, Warringah Highway was reopened overnight.
Kendrick killed shit. Don't get it fucked up. He did, but I just think like he can't, like my niggas was saying in our family chat, like he can't come out, drop some shit, and then be on the shit he be on his regular album. Like lace us with that pause, and then come out with a Good Kid, Mad City type album. Like
he ain't on that.
Yeah, but you are though. You are though. You coming out talking shit. You
What the fuck?
You went nuts.
What the fuck?
Yeah, like, cause I'm like, you can't say really you the best.
That's his home.
You're tying on the horn.
Oh fuck, she just used.
Oh! Oh! Ted, look at Ted.
I've got it on camera if they want it.
Not sure what happened.
No, you're one of them. No! Yes! Lies! I saw the devil's sign.
Holy fuck!
The green
Are they gonna
flash
pull
in the
over?
sky.
Then break it down, we playing Tetris. AM to the PM, PM to the AM phone. This I'm 𝘄𝗵𝗸𝗲, just get the hate them phone. If I quit your DM, I still rock my city. If I quit this season, I still be
Oh. Whoa. That's Kevin. Fuck! Fuck! Shit! Oh God.